Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Device to Oukitel OKT1. You need to begin by finding and opening Play Store on both devices. Now tap on the search bars, type in Send Anywhere and install this app from this developer. Following that, just click on Open. Now you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on tablet. After that, you need to choose Send on Motorola smartphone over here and Receive on Oukitel. Now tap on all of those type of dots and choose Send. This way you can choose all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time to transfer all of mine, so I will go with only one. Just send and click on Get It. As you can see from here, we have the connection ways. If you wish to, you can scan this QR code by selecting this scanning icon on tablet, choosing while using the upper only this time and pointing your device's camera at the code. But we can always just input this key over here instead and connect those devices by choosing Receive. And now, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!